reviewing one of the most cute and comfortable sandals for travel. They are the Naot Sabrina Sandals. I first discovered this shoe brand when I was traveling long term, and I was traveling in places such as Southeast Asia, and I was also traveling in Europe, even at home in Southern California, and I absolutely loved these sandals. They were extremely comfortable, and also I thought they weren't bad for a comfort shoe brand. And ultimately, one of the best shoes for travel is one that can balance style, if that's important to you, but also comfortableness. One of the best types of shoes for travel is one that can offer comfort, practicality, and the ability to work with your style. And in this case, these shoes really did that for me. They are the Naot Sabrina Sandal. I love them because they have a really cute hardware detail right here on the ankle, but they're also easy to remove. So you get the support that they fit around your ankle, but also they have an adjustable ankle strap like this. It's just an easy slip-on, slip-off strap. So you can remove them, especially remove them easily if you're going to be in destinations such as Southeast Asia where you're visiting temples and you need to remove your shoes on and off, or even in Europe if you're going to visit someone's house. For example, in England, you need to remove your shoes before you go inside. So this makes it really easy for you to do that. In addition to that, it has a really supportive sole. There's definitely arch support here, which is key for a lot of travelers, especially those that need additional support. So this is very important. Also, it has a rubber sole as well, so that way it also has a rubber sole, and looking for a rubber sole like this is key when it comes to a good sturdy shoe that's going to provide support between your foot and also the pavement. And something sturdy like this will also help you maneuver over different surfaces with ease. And because it's rubber, it also helps you maintain your stability and avoid slipping and falling, which is not what you want to do when you're traveling. So another great feature for the Naot Sabrina is that it is available in a couple of other styles as well. I do like it. I think it's cute, comfortable, versatile, and offered in a variety of great colors. I wore this nonstop in my travels. I wore these for 4 months full-time traveling in Southeast Asia, and they were very comfortable. I actually received a lot of compliments at home in Los Angeles too. I liked them so much that I was wearing them. I liked them so much that I was wearing them at home in Los Angeles too, and received a lot of compliments. So I can't speak highly enough. And after I tested them out, I also, many of the Travel Fashion Girl readers also purchased them, and they agree that these are truly some of the best travel sandals for summer or hot weather travels. Hopefully you've enjoyed my quick review for the Naot Sabrina travel sandal as one of the best sandals for travel in summer. My name is Alex with Travel Fashion Girl, where we teach women how to travel carry-on only in a stylish and efficient way. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Please take a quick moment to like this video and also leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite sandals are for traveling in the summer. Thank you for tuning in. Safe and stylish travels.